1 clove of garlic a day, the ultimate health game changer. This humble kitchen staple is packed with powerful compounds that can supercharge your immune system, fight inflammation, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. We'll explore how this culinary hero can become your secret weapon for a healthier, happier you. Get ready to unlock the amazing health benefits of this ancient remedy. Let's talk about your immune system, the incredible network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to defend your body against harmful invaders. It's your body's natural defense force against germs, bacteria, and viruses that can make you sick. Garlic is like a natural superhero in your kitchen, packed with powerful compounds. These compounds stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. Think of white blood cells as the soldiers of your immune system, always ready to battle harmful pathogens. A study in the Journal of Immunology found that regular consumption of garlic can significantly reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound with antimicrobial properties that help your body fend off infections. Adding just 1 clove of garlic a day to your diet can provide a substantial boost to your immune system, helping you stay healthy and vibrant all year round. So, next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a little garlic for that extra immune system power-up. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to health problems like heart disease and arthritis. Garlic possesses incredible anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds reduce the production of substances that contribute to inflammation. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food discovered that garlic supplements can significantly decrease inflammatory markers. Garlic can help calm excessive inflammation and protect your body. Adding garlic to your diet is a delicious and natural way to fight inflammation. Let's talk about heart health and how we can improve it naturally. Keeping our blood pressure in check is crucial for overall well-being, and garlic can play a significant role in this. Studies have shown that garlic has a positive impact on blood pressure levels, especially in those with hypertension. It can help lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The American Heart Association supports its use in moderation, highlighting its potential benefits for heart health. Garlic contains compounds like allicin that relax blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow and reducing pressure on your arteries. This can lead to better circulation and a healthier heart. By incorporating garlic into your diet, whether in meals or as a supplement, you can support healthy blood pressure levels and overall cardiovascular health. It's a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier cardiovascular system. Along with a balanced diet and regular exercise, garlic can be a valuable addition to your heart health regimen. Our liver works tirelessly to detoxify our bodies. Garlic enhances its natural detoxification processes by activating liver enzymes that flush out toxins. Studies by the National Institute of Health highlight garlic's role in supporting liver health, reducing oxidative stress, and promoting liver cell regeneration. Adding garlic to your diet is a delicious and effective strategy to support liver health. Allicin is the key ingredient that gives garlic its distinctive aroma and taste, and it's responsible for many of its health benefits. This compound possesses potent antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Allicin is formed when garlic is crushed or chopped, so smash your garlic cloves before adding them to your dishes. From boosting your immune system to fighting inflammation, allicin is the powerhouse behind garlic's health-promoting abilities. Garlic, your daily dose of health. This humble ingredient is more powerful than it looks. Incorporating just 1 clove of garlic a day into your diet can significantly boost your immune system, helping you fend off common colds and infections. It also plays a crucial role in protecting your heart by reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and supports liver health by aiding in detoxification. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button for more health tips. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. Remember to consume garlic in moderation. While it's beneficial, too much can cause digestive issues. 1 clove a day is generally safe and effective for most people, but always consult with your doctor if you have any health conditions or are on medication, as garlic can interact with certain drugs. Start incorporating this amazing ingredient into your meals today. Whether it's in salads, soups, or main dishes, garlic can enhance the flavor and health benefits of your food. Experience the transformative power of garlic and enjoy a healthier, happier life with your loved ones.